My name is James. I have worked in the food industry for the last 10 years.
My name is Britta Zeiler. I work as a cook for 6 years now, cooking professionally.
My name's Tanner. I'm most excited about being a current worker at the New Moon Cafe and then soon becoming a member of the cooperative.
My name is Erica Lachon. I've been working in the food industry for a few years now.
My name is Kai. I've worked a lot of jobs other than the past 2 years when I started working with the collective. They've all been not fun experiences where there's a lot of work and energy investment and you're always making money for someone else that always wants you to work harder.
In a hierarchical workplace or kitchen or any type of working environment, the higher-ups don't really have a good understanding of what's actually happening in the floor and what's actually happening in the kitchen and who the customers even really are. So they don't have a good picture of the place that they're actually in charge of. In a horizontal working environment where all the people that work there, the people making decisions about it, have a better idea and more cohesive idea of what the place actually means to them and will work harder to make the place that they work at thrive.
We are a group of people organizing to create co-ops and collectives, beginning with a restaurant.
Instead of a single person owning the restaurant, everyone who works there will own it equally and make decisions about the restaurant together. That's what makes it a cooperative.
Most people starting restaurants are able to take out loans or already have money to begin with. The Black Moon Collective is in a more unique situation. We have pulled together all of our resources, and it's still not enough. It is extremely rare for banks to give loans to cooperative businesses. We need the help of our community.
So I'm Sarah Rocker, and I'm the staff advisor to the Flaming Eggplant Cafe at the Evergreen State College.
My name is Michael Snow. For the last 4 years I worked at the Flaming Eggplant student-run cafe at Evergreen.
It's been really just incredible to see students come in and learn skills in business development, in local sourcing, in food preparation, in outreach, and the incredible impact that the cafe has had here on the campus.
Working in a cooperative environment, and especially in a collective, I learned to take on tasks that I thought maybe I wasn't able to do before. Things like finances or planning menus. You pretty much just have to do everything. Then you realize that all the responsibility for one thing or many things is on you, and taught me to be really responsible and accountable and get things done. It taught me how to get things done.
The money we are raising will go directly to startup costs in our first few months of operation.
We look forward to engaging with the community to provide a space for art shows, music shows, speakers, book readings, meetings, you name it.
Investing in our collective is investing in the future of cooperatives. It's investing in your local farms and producers, artists and musicians, and friends and neighbors.